Okay, so we start the side button by going around over the tail, but then we get the tail out and bring it over like that. So then on a typical, sorry, I have a very long string here. Like we will go something like that on a regular knot, but on this one we come like this. We go under one and over the tail. So you're gonna notice this is very different from other knots, because what we do when we go down and what we do when we go up is different. So you just notice we went down and under. So we will say, oh, let's go same way, under and over, like here, under and over. But no, it's the opposite. Every time we change direction is different. So now I go over and under. Over one and under one. And then coming down, I start always going under one. So under, over, and under the tail. Sorry. So under, over, and under the tail. Then here you can see we need to go and lift this and lock this knot by going over, under, and over. So see, again, going up, we go over. We start by going over, and going down, we start by going under. So over, under, over. And going down, under, over, under, and if we want to increase this, get more bites, then we should also go over the tail. So that is the basic foundation of the side button. Now, it's that's the typical one used in bosals, so we don't need to increase this one. But to do an interweave, so it's everything under 2/2, what we have to do is this. So we're gonna follow the tail, meaning we're gonna copy the string on our left. So in this case, we're going over, under, over, doing the same thing that the tail is doing, like that. And then when we go down, it's the same thing. Remember, we start going over, going down is going under. And same thing, we're gonna copy the string on our left. So to do that, we need to go under too. So here we go. Under two, and then over one, under one. So I'm making pairs with the string on my left. Sorry again. So now going up, remember, instead of going under, we go over. So we go over two, under one, over one, and by doing this, I'm making pairs with the string on my left again. There. So then going down, it's under, so it's under two, and I split the first pair. So this is my under two, over two, and under one. So that's my under two, then over two, and under one. and we just split our first pair. Like that. Then going up, remember we go over, we start going over, so over 2, under 2, and over 1, and we are splitting another pair here, like that. Then going down, we go under 2, so under 2, over 2, and under 2. So here we are splitting 2 pairs when coming down. Like that. Then going up, still again, it's first step is over, so over 2, under 2, over 2, and then going down, under 2, over 2, and under 2, and the knot is over. So one of the characteristics of this knot is that the borders are parallel, they're in the same direction. Okay, so I hope it's understandable.